me, which I see in the video also. Passive aggressiveness, from whatever that literature we have given, what we understood is it is coming from people who are facing difficulty in balancing both passiveness and aggression. That could be maybe they are brought up in a way that they are not able to express, or
from childhood.
Even explicit expression is not encouraged at
their family, home, culture.
And what I feel is, just my opinion.
Please.
We have, we see people who are assertive, aggressive, passive. But passive aggressiveness, I feel a lot of people will have.
Yeah, beautiful.
I feel because I myself have many examples from my side in that.
We all exhibit this particular behavior.
Maybe a perfect assertiveness, a very few times we express, and aggressiveness anyway we all accept that our bosses are aggressive. And passive we don't accept anyway. So what I feel is passive aggressiveness is something which we exhibit most of the time. And typical things which
only one thing, what I'll do, because it's slightly confusing, so I'm not expecting you to be perfect also. I'll give an example of passive aggressive behavior.
No, I have an example.
Please tell. That if you say, then go with the points on to be
That's what I'm saying also.
Please.
Some things which express passive aggressiveness are these things.
Okay.
So the example anyway you are...
No, please tell. If you have an example, please tell. I'll be happy.
One example from my personal life.
Please, everybody uses it.
Okay, there's a situation where my wife comes to me and she says that she wants to go to her cousin's place. And I have been delaying it. I say like we'll go next time, this time, that time, okay. And now there is a situation when I have to do a report. And that report is very important because, and first of all, my boss is very aggressive, I have to do that. She also knows that. So when she comes on a fine Sunday evening, she says, we'll go to this person's place, cousin. Then I say, I don't want to reject it outright. So what I'll say is, I have this report. But anyways, we'll go. What will happen? At the max, he will scold me. It will affect my rating. Thing is, I'm playing a mind game here. I will not say no to her. I will say just what are the outcomes I will face because of not going. So now she is in a dilemma whether to go or not to go. She is confused.
Correct.
So she will say, okay, leave it. And the next time, see, I am also an advantage. Next time she says, last time you denied. Then I will say, I said we'll go. You only said not to go.
Correct. Beautiful. Very good. Classic example for passive. This is a classic example of passive aggressiveness.
So I'm playing safe. I'm telling her my boss will scold and this report I have to do, but still we'll go and say. So there is some kind of a cunningness. Some kind of a manipulative behavior. Passive aggressiveness is among the all very dangerous. Why I'm saying, kindly understand, friends. Wait, son, daughter, wait. Aggressive behavior you can easily find because some people will have consistent aggressive behavior. So we know, this fellow will always shout, he's like that. No problem. But we know this fellow is dangerous, so we have to be away. And passive people, he will not open his mouth and he will not contribute anything, he will not give any feedback. I don't know what kind of boss he is not opening the mouth. He should say whether I'm doing something good or bad. That is also good. Passive aggressiveness you cannot find out. Dangerous, they will be very, very dangerous. I didn't have time, unfortunately. Tomorrow I'll try to show you passive aggressiveness, if at all, if time permits. I've got a fantastic movie to show. Anybody who has got a video cutter in their home, I'll give that video to you so that you can do and bring it tomorrow. Son, anybody?
What's the movie, sir?
I'll say the movie.
Torrent.
I didn't have time.
Torrent.
No. Have you seen this movie? Yeah, what actually happened? Don't say. Tell them in a very cinematic manner. How does he do it? What does he do? You tell them the story. I'll say. And anybody would like to take it and cut it and bring it tomorrow? That portion alone. Anybody who has got the skill set for actually using VLC player and cutting from that side to this side? Unfortunately, it's not working. My laptop is not working properly. You will try? Okay, take it. See what will happen, I'll say. This is a classical example of like how he said. No, of course, this is a very, very mild form. See what will actually happen in this particular movie. That lady to whom he got married, she's a very beautiful lady. So, and this person will marry that lady. And that girl was in love with some other person before getting married. But because of some reasons, that love could not finalize in the form of a marriage. That is a fact. So what will happen, this girl after she gets married to this person, She will come and say to him honestly, at some point of time, not that immediately on the first night or immediately after getting married, some point of time she'll say the fact that I had an affair with a person, subsequently it could not fructify and it got discontinued. Now this person is an aggressive person, because aggressive in the sense means you have to see the movie to understand what he's saying. He will not use the tea cup. Why no? He will use a cup which has been fresh for him. He will not use a second-hand laptop. It came?
Yeah, I think it was dubbed in Telugu. Yeah, it was dubbed in Telugu.
Okay, you saw that movie? So he has never had an habit of using anything which is second-hand. Now he has got a second-hand product. And the product itself is saying, I am a second-hand product. Now the degree of second-hand, it all depends upon individual perception. Some people may say that the person who is in love itself is wrong. Some people will say, I am ready to marry a divorcee also. Now who's right, who's wrong, that all depends upon the individual psychology. Am I right or wrong? So that we are not going to debate. Subsequently, he will decide to kill her. Now how to kill her? Now you have to do in a very subtle manner. So he will adopt the passive aggressiveness. So what he will do is that he will give her some kind of a medicine in a cup of tea or cup of milk, something like that. I am not able to remember. Then he will make her to slowly die. After she is dead, he will take her and then make her to lie down in that particular bathtub. And he will open the water so that the water starts filling up the bathtub, and he will make it as if it is a death which has actually happened inadvertently when she was taking a bath. So this is called passive aggressiveness, where you don't attack a person directly, but then you use indirect method to attack a person, which is the most dangerous form of behavior. Why you are looking at that poor fellow,
I didn't get the exact examples, I can't use this.
Sir, we are teaching violent things. Tomorrow, husbands here and wives here will suffer a lot. We bachelors have no problem. Husbands and wives who are not here will suffer a lot.
We are already
Okay, sir, go ahead, sir. Okay.
I think most of the points are covered in the example,
yeah.
but just for the benefit of procrastinating is something by delaying things.
They will use delay techniques.
Postponing.
Yeah.
Is asking, I am doing and you can delay things. Then confusing others.
Beautiful. See, friends, don't miss that point. They'll confuse. They have a tendency to confuse others. Okay, then.
So they don't talk anything definite. They just leave others in a confusion, and they are happy like that. Acting stubborn.
Yeah, they'll act stubborn. Yeah.
Mind games.
The mind games they can play.
Indirect abuse.
Yeah, they will abuse other person in indirect manner. Okay, then.
And cunning and vengeance oriented.
Be careful. Cunning. Another best example is Danu, who killed Rajiv Gandhi. Yeah, she used passive aggression only. She approached him. She wanted to actually garland him, and when she was about to garland, she pressed the button. She killed herself. That's a different issue. That's a different psychology. But she approached Rajiv Gandhi by being passive, but she was aggressive. Do you know Danu or not?
Yes. Now in suicide. Yes.
The lady who actually killed Rajiv Gandhi. So her name is Danu. She committed. She was a human bomb. No, they say a human bomb. No, typical example of passive aggressiveness. You got the point now. So they are the most dangerous people in the world. Okay.
That is because of money or something, sir. Or it vengeance or
No, it's vengeance.
Vengeance, yeah.
Vengeance.
Tamil Tigers, no. He has got big story, no. LT that Prabhakaran was called to Delhi and Rajiv Gandhi put him in a 5-star hotel. He locked him. He asked him to sign that agreement. Then Prabhakaran said, "Yes, I will take the revenge against you." And once again, Prabhakaran's technology of actually killing Rajiv Gandhi is once again a passive aggressiveness.
Again, they promised that they'll kill whoever becomes prime minister from Gandhi's family. They're going to kill them. That is also right.
So you understood how passive aggressive is very dangerous. Aggressive people are far easily reliable. हमको मालूम है ये हर बार he will shout, he'll harm me. So whenever you meet an aggressive person, you'll have a shield. But passive aggressive, you will not know. He'll say, "Hello, how are you? Can we go for a tea? Let us go for lunch." And then he'll put the hand on the shoulder. You will not know, but then already he has planned.
Please don't look at me.
Everyone is.
The last point is fear of effects resulting from direct aggressiveness and passiveness.
That you have to explain. This team has to explain. I will do that, but you explain.
What is it?
How does it come? Because they may not know. Other teams may not know. Say, tell.
Fear of direct aggressiveness.
Yes, that is what I started.
That's the most important point. Yeah.
That's how I started. I said,
Please watch, friends. All of you, please watch.
these people, they face a problem in maintaining balance between aggressiveness and passiveness. They can't be fully aggressive. They can't be fully passive. Because maybe they have a fear of effects of being fully passive or fully aggressive.
Yeah.
Or maybe they are not comfortable like that. So they are enjoying this way. They want somewhere in between and just balance the show.
You understood now, friends? So they don't want to become aggressive, neither they want to become passive. So they want to use a combination of both the skill set, then they use it. Fine. So among all three, among the three negative aspects of behaviors, this is the most dangerous form of negative aspects of behavior.
They use instigation to get their work done.
No.
Yes.
No, tell an example. No, I understood, but she maybe, or maybe I'm wrong.
They
She's right.
instigate people in such a way that their work gets done.
You give the classical example,
give
daughter.
it
Sister, hello, daughter. That example itself is that one.
No, even the example I gave, I wanted to report.
Yeah.
I ultimately did it.
Yeah.
The
Fine.
person is suffering, then but I did it.
Yeah. Same.
So you are a classic example of.
That aspect is acceptable, not other things.
So passive aggressive at times we all use, but then it should not become your permanent habit. That's the caution we showed up. Okay. And now comes the diamond. Come. Assertiveness. Give a clap for it. See, first of all, you should appreciate Mr. Balaji. No, Balaji is your name. No, very few people will have the quality of saying their personal points. No, because they're honest. He is honest.
Genuinely appreciating it. Come on.
The reason is very soft.
No, you people are putting him down. Yeah, poor fellow.
Ajay, you do